Ready to dive into the world of crypto? Tired of those hefty fees eating into your investment before you even start? Today, I'm going to walk you through a super simple way to top up your Trust wallet with USDT using your Natwest Card, while keeping those pesky transaction fees as low as possible. First, open your Trust wallet app. Look for the Buy button on the main screen. It's usually located right in the middle. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Scroll down or use the search bar to find USDT, which is short for Tether. Select USDT. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase in your local currency. Remember to factor in any potential minimum purchase amounts set by the payment provider. This is the crucial part for low fees. You'll see a list of third-party providers from the options. Binance Connect generally offers competitive rates. Select Binance Connect. You'll be redirected to Binance Connect to complete your purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will involve entering your Natwest Card details and completing any necessary security checks. Double-check all the information before confirming the transaction. Make sure the amount is correct and that you're happy with the exchange rate displayed. Once the transaction is processed, your USDT will appear in your Trust wallet. It might take a few minutes, so be patient, and that's it. You've successfully topped up your Trust wallet with USDT using your Natwest Card while keeping fees low. Now you're ready to explore the exciting world of crypto.